Today we're going to be reviewing one of the widely used USB condenser microphone. Whether you're streaming, you're podcasting, or you're recording vocals, this is the go-to USB condenser microphone out there in the market. This is the Blue Yeti USB condenser microphone. Hi, I'm John, and this is JohnVSTech. In the crowded space of USB condenser microphone, the Blue Yeti still stands out in the crowd. Used by both amateurs and professionals, this microphone is a force not to be reckoned with. The multi-pattern settings gives this microphone versatility whether you're recording a choir or just playing out voiceovers. Out of the box, we have the instruction manual, a very long USB cable, and the mic itself. This looks like it's built like a tank. It feels like one too. This can be adjusted with both screws on each end. It has a 3.5mm jack for listening real time and a mini USB 2.0 port and a standard thread for mounting it in a mic stand or arm. In front you'll find the mute button which flashes red when it's enabled. In headphone volume, a gain knob, and the multi-pattern settings. This mic has a 4-polar pattern settings which is stereo, cardioid, omni, and bidirectional. This is the Blue Yeti attached to my tripod. If you guys are planning to use it directly, make sure you have a pop filter. Otherwise, I would recommend using it at a 45 angle and at least 5 to 6 inches distance away from the mic. This is a very sensitive mic. This will pick up a lot of noise. Right now we're going to be doing some testing. This is the mic directly in front of it. And this is the mic at a 45 angle. So for our first test, we're going to do the stereo channel. The stereo channel should be able to give you an idea of the spatial sound. And for demo purposes, this is how it sounds like. This is the left side of the mic. This is the right side of the mic. And this is me going from right to left of the mic. The next channel is omnidirectional channel. And this is what it sounds like. This is the left side of the mic. This is me going to the right side of the mic. This is the right side of the mic. I won't be demonstrating the cardioid as I'm already using it since the beginning. This is what the bidirectional channel sounds like. This is me at the left side of the mic. This is me going to the right side of the mic. This is me at the right side of the mic. If you're planning on using this mic, I would suggest you do a lot of post-processing. I do mine with Audacity, and it's free. I'll put the link in the description. This retails for around $130 in their website. You can find one in Amazon complete with a headphone and boom filter for around $170. I would take my time to look around as it varies from one color to another. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you guys like what you see, press that like button, and if you love it, subscribe so you don't miss out on my future uploads. So until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.